everybody, this is Diamonds Are Forever. Look y'all, our whole creek is over flooded now. Do you see this shit, y'all? Look at this. And it's getting closer. Do you see all that? Look, you don't even see the creek. Isn't this terrible, y'all? Look what the rain did, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see, even get a closer look. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. You can't even go out and take the garbage even if you wanted to. Do y'all see all this? It's way back here. Look, it's even getting closer to the sidewalk here. See? We used to have a cute little creek here, but it's, as y'all can see, the creek is no more. Yeah, this is Monday, y'all, December the 18th, but just look. And it's still raining, so God knows, y'all. Look here, down here in the basement. You know what this is gonna cause, y'all? For the pilots to go out. It may cause damage. But yeah, y'all. I want y'all to see what's going on here in New Jersey. Look, it even got higher than the trees now. This is ridiculous. But y'all, as y'all can see, just wanted y'all to see how bad the water is overflowing. Thank God I don't live in the back here anymore. And you can see it's still raining hard, but the sun is out. And it smells this water, y'all. But y'all can see. And look, it's down in this basement here too, y'all. Wanted y'all to get a little extra look. So y'all can see. See that, y'all? It's getting closer. Hopefully this won't come to the front, y'all, but the way it's going, it just look like it might be. But I just wanted y'all to see. Let me know, y'all, if it's flooding where y'all are at. But this was a beautiful creek where we get bears coming back here, foxes, coyote, pelican birds. But now you can see the ducks. I'm surprised the ducks ain't out here. Usually ducks love the water, but you don't even see the ducks, y'all. But I can see it again, y'all. Let me try to get y'all a closer up so y'all can see it even more. All the way back now. So you can't even go and take out the garbage. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Peace.